So here we go with the Bladerunner. It's just got a slot in it that lays up against this shingle, and then we'll use our oscillating tool and blade to cut. Slip the Bladerunner in, put it up against your shingle that's already in place. Take your new shingle, nail it off right where it needs to be. Take your oscillating tool, put it in the slot. Make the cut. Remove your tool. Perfect cut every time. Work right up the line. Go to your next one. Install your shingle. Nail it off. Make the cut. Remove your guide. Make sure it's up against this shingle when you're cutting it. Put pressure on it right here to hold it up against that shingle. Make a cut. Remove your guide. Perfect cut every time. Bladerunner by Shingle Blades.